Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, I welcome you once again to the Saeedi Watch Jampur channel. You have a smartwatch and you want to set a time in it. So I will tell you how to do it. First of all, you have to open the main menu. Powered by Dekhiye. Here you can get the set time and set date. But most of the smartwatches do not have this setting. So I will tell you how you can set the time of those smartwatches. First of all, you have to open the menu of the smartwatch. Powered by Dekhiye. So friends, here I see the barcode of the smartwatch. You will get the barcode in the menu. Powered by Dekhiye. Here you have to open Google. Powered by Dekhiye. Powered by Dekhiye. After clicking on it, you have to open the barcode again. And you have to search it through your smartphone. So friends, we search it from here. And here you will get the application of the smartwatch, which will support this smartwatch. You have to download it. And you have to open it from here. So friends, now we have to connect the smartwatch with the mobile. When we connect it with the smartwatch, the mobile time will automatically be set on the smartwatch. So first of all, let's see what is the time here. It is 1:57 p.m. and here it is 1:56 p.m. So friends, now we have to connect this smartwatch with the mobile. For that, first of all, I will turn on the Bluetooth of the smartwatch. And here I turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone. So friends, here it is Hari 3.0. I will pair it with the smartwatch. It is paired. Now we have to come to the application. And here it is. This is the barcode of the smartwatch. I click on it. Powered by Dekhiye. So here it has come. I click on it. And now this smartwatch has started connecting with the mobile. So friends, this application has been connected, so here you see the time is 2 o'clock p.m. And here it is 2 o'clock p.m. If you like this video, then do like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye.